Hey everyone, welcome back to BilzTech, where we turn tech into easy mode. Today's mission, we're learning how to connect a Bluetooth device in Windows 11. And yeah, it's going to be super quick, unless your PC decides to act up again. Let's jump in. Step 1. Go to the bottom left of your taskbar. See those little icons? They're like the Avengers of connectivity. Step 2. Drop down the Bluetooth menu. Then hit More Bluetooth Settings. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Click Add Device. Then select Bluetooth. And now, we wait, just for a second. Your device should pop up. Here, mine says Bilz. Yep, that's me, obviously. Click it, and boom, you'll get a pairing request on your phone or headset. Tap Pair, press Connect, and you're in. That's it. You know the drill. Like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel. And hey, I'd love to have you around.